Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be making a K-pop journal spread for the 3-year anniversary of DNA by BTS. So this is actually the era that I became an ARMY in. It was the most recent song and video when I started standing, so that's really cool. Also, this song is a bop and the music video is so cool and it's seriously underrated. I never understood when I became an ARMY why people didn't like this. I mean, I understand the disconnect from like this versus like Blood, Sweat, and Tears, and people like wanted the same kind of concept. But I feel like, especially now that we've seen everything they can do, I feel like that's what's so amazing about BTS is that they can do these such like vastly different concepts, and like why would you want the same concept over and over again? So I never really understood that. I love DNA. I've always loved DNA, and the aesthetics in this, the fashion in this video is immaculate. I just love it so much. It's so colorful. So I definitely wanted to pay homage to the colorfulness of the music video. So I used lots of different colored paper and other little things here and there for this spread. And yeah, I was excited to make a spread for DNA because I've never done a spread for DNA before. Random, but I had to do this cutout of Namjoon because this part where he does the little thing with his arms is like my favorite part ever. I just think it's so cute, and I do it like myself every time I listen to this song, so I had to add that in there. I think that's kind of a fun thing about doing K-pop journals is that like a lot of different people are making spreads of the same thing, but we all get to add in like our own sort of like personal like part of it, I guess. I mean, obviously the journaling part is personal, but even like the pictures that we choose and stuff like that is very personal to whose journal it is. I mean, yes, I'm like doing these, I mean, I wouldn't say I'm doing it for videos, but I am making videos of these and sharing them with you guys. But at the end of the day, like this is my journal that I will look back on one day and read the things that I wrote and the things that I like decided to choose to put into the spread. So I think that's one of the things that's really, really cool about doing these journals, because right now like BTS and K-pop and things like that is something that's very important to me and that I'm really passionate about. So I think that it will be really fun to one day be able to look back on this and see all the little things and like remember that and be like, oh my gosh, that was my favorite part, you know, stuff like that. That was a little tangent, but you get it. Also, you might notice, I don't know if you can tell, but I was really struggling with this tape runner. So I accidentally bought the Scotch brand like extra strength permanent tape runner, which is a mistake, first of all, because I definitely need to reposition things sometimes. And you cannot reposition anything with this tape runner. Like as soon as it's taped down, it is like, it's there forever. You're never getting it off. So I had to be like extra careful while I was using this one, and also it like doesn't kind of break off very easily. It's like almost like rubbery together, so you have to like really like swipe it at a weird angle to get it to break off, if that makes sense. I don't know. I will not be buying the extra strength one again. So if you watched my America's Got Talent performance K-pop journal spread video, you know that I said I was trying to do like something a little bit more cool and like different than just your typical like highlight on the lettering, and I wanted to do something different again here. So I just tried something different. I don't know, I feel like it makes the lettering a little more dynamic and not like it's exactly the same from page to page. I know that some people like that, like they want the whole journal, like the thing at the journal as a whole to have like a specific aesthetic, but that's not really what I'm going for. I mean, sometimes it ends up that way just because I have like a style, but I want like each spread to be like really different and to more so reflect the song or video or whatever it is that I'm making the spread of than anything. So yeah, I want to like come up with more ways to make my lettering more dynamic and just like a little bit different and more creative. So something else a little bit different that I tried, which I've done this I think once before maybe, but instead of just like usually I just leave like open white space for my journaling part, but this time I actually put down this post-it note and I did the journaling on that. It's like a small difference, but I just thought it was kind of cool and you know, a little bit casual difference, I guess. I don't know. I just thought that it was a neat idea. Anyways, here's a look at the final spread. I really, really like how it turned out. I think it really did justice to the colorfulness of this music video, and I'm glad that I got a chance to make a DNA spread. So if you like this spread and you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!